In this video, I'll show you how to use the tawk.to dashboard to see what's happening on your website in real time. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of your site traffic and how your team is engaging with visitors. To access it, click the dashboard or home icon in the top menu. On the left, you'll see the Live Visitors section. It includes a graph showing how many people are currently browsing your site. Use the drop-down menu to select the date range you want to view. You can accurately view daily statistics by hovering your mouse over the specific day you want to check. Visitors are shown in green, chats in pink, and page views in orange. You can hide any of their graphs by unchecking the corresponding box. Below the graph, you'll find the History section with a list of your most recent chats. The dashboard also shows today's total number of visitors, page views, answered chats, and a quick reporting overview. These figures update whenever you reload the page or revisit the dashboard. Next to each figure, you'll see a percentage comparing today's count to yesterday's. Green and red arrows help you spot highs and lows across the past 7 days. Here's how these metrics work. Visitors are counted based on sessions. A session starts when a visitor lands on your site and ends when they leave or stay inactive for 20 minutes. There's a 2-minute buffer, so visitors who return right away aren't counted again too quickly. But after that, a returning visitor will count as a new session. The chat count shows how many chats were answered or missed today and compares those numbers with yesterday's to help you track team responsiveness. Page views are tracked every time someone loads a page. So if one visitor views 3 pages, that's 3 page views. You'll also notice a reporting section that breaks down more detailed stats. Positive sentiment is based on chat ratings from visitors. Engagement is the number of chats divided by total visits. And availability shows how consistently your agents have been online and ready to respond. With all of this in one place, the dashboard gives you a clear view of site activity and helps you measure the impact of your customer conversations. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.